Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to access your Tesla recordings for your camera, your dash cam, or even your SENTRY recordings. We're here on page 144 of the Tesla manual. And right here, as you can see, you can either view this on a computer or you can view it on your Tesla touchscreen. To view in the computer, you just insert the USB drive, you remove it from your Tesla, you plug it into your computer, and you navigate to the Tesla cam folder. And then it contains subfolders. You have saved clips. This one includes the recordings that are saved using the dash cam, and then you have SENTRY clips. This will be in the SENTRY clips folder. Now, to view on the touchscreen, what you want to do is first make sure your Tesla is in park, and then now you can start to view the footage. So this is what you do. You touch the dash cam icon located in the app launcher or the dash cam icon on the control screen, and then you just touch the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen, and the tab will display a list of all video clips that are organized by location and timestamp. You can just go ahead and pause, rewind, fast forward, even delete the clips as needed. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.